All right, people. Optimism right now is not looking optimistic. Not at all. In the past week, it's actually dropped by a lot. From May 28th, it's dropped from $1.66 to $1.45, more than 10%, and more could be to follow. The volume is increasing, but unfortunately, it's not increasing to your benefit. It might be increasing to your destruction. What do I mean by it might be increasing to your destruction? Well, let's take a look, shall we? Well, Optimism is having this big, giant coin release. And when I say giant, I'm not talking about a 10% or 20%. This is going to double the supply. And I think it's already happened as of today. And that's why the price is going down. Now, Optimism, despite this year that crypto has gone up from the beginning of the year, it has actually shrunk from about $3 to maybe $1.50 from the beginning of this year until now. If you look at the beginning of 2023, in January, in February really, it was $3 and has shrunk up until now. But the crypto price itself, in terms of like other cryptocurrencies from February until now, has actually risen by several $1,000s. And that could be because of its tokenomics. But it is still way above where it originally was when it ICO'd. So there's a lot of money to actually be made. And with all these coins coming out and unlocking, those nefarious VCs may actually sell to plummet the coins even more right now. So the circulating supply has massively increased within the last couple of hours, and you could see way more sell-offs. Not very optimistic for a coin called Optimism. I still think it is the number 3 scaling solution right now for Ethereum, behind Polygon and Arbitrum. But right now, the tokenomics do not favor it. I would hold back on buying some right now, definitely, because of this massive supply inflation. Now, I think that there's only 335 million of these coins out, but just the number coming into the market will there's 335 million of these out, as according to Coin Market Market Cap, but there's 4 million total. So even if they update the circulating supply, it's still about less than 10% of the total. So there's going to be a lot more big releases, and it's going to face competition from a lot from the other layer 2s. So if you're wondering why Optimism is tanking, that's why right now. And I'm just not very optimistic about this coin. I do believe it'll come up in the bull run, but with this giant influx in supply, especially today, you might want to avoid it for a while. If you want a layer 2, maybe Arbitrum and Polygon is the way you should actually go. Because right now, I can see a future that's not very optimistic and quite grim for Optimism, especially if the debt ceiling deal falls through. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.